Good morning, this is the latest market news. I am Uliana. Asian markets were mostly lower on Friday, as below-youth Chinese factory numbers weighed on regional sentiment. China's manufacturing data were the main focus on Friday, with the official Purchasing Managers' Index for February coming out at 50.1, compared with 50.4 in January and undershooting economists' expectations of a rise to 50.5. A score about 50 indicates an expansion in manufacturing activity. Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index was down 0.4%, while the Shanghai Composite Index in mainland China was off 0.5%. Australia's ASX 200 retreated 0.4%. The US dollar gained slightly against the yen at 92.68 yens compared to 92.55 late Thursday in New York, at the end of a volatile week that saw the greenback rise as high as 94.77 early Monday on reports that named Haruhiko Kuroda as the nominee to become the next Bank of Japan governor, and subsequently weakening against the Japanese currency as Eurozone concerns resurfaced briefly. The Australian dollar was lower late Friday at 1.0230 as the US dollar strengthened broadly in the wake of more solid economic data from the world's largest economy. Data showing Chinese manufacturing activity was slower than expected in February, damped interest in the Australian dollar, sending it to its day's lows. There are several key economic releases on Friday. First, the Personal Income and Outlays report for January will be released. This will give some idea of how consumer spending is holding up following the payroll tax increase at the beginning of the year. ISM Manufacturing Index 15 GMT. As always, the ISM Manufacturing Index could move the markets. The regional surveys have been mixed, although the market flash PMI was fairly strong and the Chicago PMI increased in February. The consensus is for PMI to decline to 52.8%, about 50 is expansion. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.